Hey guys, in today's video, I'll try to revive my old ass camera that's been sitting around since 2011. This camera has a very good problems with its battery latch, as well as that it has no battery or memory card. And to fix the battery problem, I had to buy this N-type batteries from Sony, which is extremely rare to find and quite expensive, as you can see here. So to buy them, I had to go like many weird sites to like get them. Very sketchy, but I got them finally. I hope it doesn't like explode on my face or something, but it's working. So as you can see here, the battery latch is like, you know, faulty. It just pops out whenever I just try to put the battery in. So to fix that, I have to like hold it while like simultaneously using my camera. So for a temporary fix, I had to use a rubber band from here. Although it works, I'm not satisfied the way it looks. It looks very weird. I mean, when I go outside, it may look very broken, but it's just very temporary. Just in case I don't have a rubber, it will not work. So to fix that problem, I bought a hoop, like you can see here. This thing I will like make like two ports and like connect it with the hoop, and it should be tight. And from here, I have to make a really good measure to see that my proportions are perfect. So from here I have to make like one cut to divide between two ports of two softies. This is what I call the softies, and this is what I call the hardies. So in that context, I'm gonna put like two different softy ports and one hardy port that's gonna connect it both. Well, as you can see here, I have to cut down a little bit from the wide side, the width, to like, you know, kind of narrow it down and connect it better. So I'm gonna cut it down. There you go. Now we have a perfect sized, you know, Velcro. So as you can see here, it's perfectly sized, both narrow. So from here, I'm going to cut another part to make two ports of Velcro. Just one that's going to be on the other side to like connect it. So there you go. Now I have a really nice little cute piece of Velcro. So I'm going to use my super glue. So let's try to like put it on there. Wait, I think it's empty. Please don't be empty. Oh god damn it, it is empty. So yeah, so that's a problem. Nice, I got on the super glue. That's insane, crazy. So now I'm gonna use the super glue to connect those two things that I put inside the battery latch for some reason. So I'm gonna open it up. So I got the first one. The small teeny tiny one is stuck in this SD card latch. To get that, I had to go through forceful measures, which didn't work. God damn it. But I finally got the little guy out. So as you can see, it's a really nice little Velcro just for the other port here. So let's get to the real work. And now I have to like trim it just a little bit to like apply the glue and you know, just get back to the work. So I have to be ready. Oh no. Yeah, so what did I just do? I had to get fast. Oh lord, it's gonna be so messy. So just hoping and pray to God that's gonna work. Why is it not sticking? Oh, I just got some on my hand. Oh my god. But yeah, there you go. So just tap it gently. It should work. No, it didn't. It just went horribly wrong. Yeah, so it just messed up. Now it's stuck to my hand. What is going on, bro? So yeah, this didn't work at all, so I have to find a different way. This is not the right tutorial for this, so you can just skip ahead and wait for the real part. Now I cannot open the battery latch, can I? No, it just doesn't stick from the back side. Now the battery latch is stuck all the way, and I have to like cut my way through it. Wow. Well, I did eventually find a way to go through that. I just attached like a piece of paper at the back of the Velcro, and I think it should work very well. So I attached it, I held it really tight, and finally, yeah, there you go. There's the first piece, the first sector that's connected on the other side. Now it's time for the other part, the teeny tiny bit, and just be careful it doesn't stick to your hand, and just connect it to the other side. Yeah, there you go. A little bit of glue, and just attach it, hold it really tight until it finally latches on, and there you go. So now you have a beautiful pieces of Velcro that's going to attach with the hoop and not open the battery latch by itself. So there you go. Now there's the hoop, and now we're going to cut a decent part out of it and make sure it just fits perfectly. There we go. Nice and tight. It's great. I think it should narrow down a little bit. It's a bit too wide for me, so I'll just cut it down just a bit. So here's a piece of battery that I bought earlier. Oh my god, it was so hard to find one of these. Trust me, it's really hard to find one of these. If you find them in your country, that's really lucky for you, but in Malaysia, finding them is actually pretty hard. People don't actually sell these that much. I had to like ship it from outside. So I bought a charger for this, and yeah, I'm going full-fledged on this. So it's this vintage camera, not actually vintage, this old digital camera is gonna get a new life out of this. So let's attach the batteries. So as you can see, it doesn't pop in, so I'm going to use the Velcro to connect it all. So you can see the Velcro is working really well. So I'm just going to give it a good wipe down, everything around me, just a bit of, you know, wipe down. There you go. So yeah, that's how you save a digital camera from 2011. So that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you connecting your battery latch. Even though it's long, it's not the perfect tutorial, but yeah, see you guys.